like today we're going to have another hot day in paradise. Just another day with that sun beating down. And as always, the weathermen, they always put that thing of thunder showers in for the afternoon, and they never come. They come once in a while. Forget it. So we're going to try to head out as early as possible, get all our little chores done around here, and get out on the open road before it gets too hot. Time to eat up, fish. It's time. It's getting hotter by the minute, and we want to get out on the open road. Oh my God, every morning all the flowers are just blooming away. We're just so happy the way the yard is coming out this year. Now we don't want to forget to thank Nanda Navola for getting us started with these zinnias. Well, we have had some fun with these in the last couple of years. And we got peppers we're harvesting every day. Oh man, this is just... And since we got rid of the groundhog with that electric clear earth, the buzzer or whatever you want to call it, hey, the lettuce is growing. We have fresh lettuce every night. Oh, the farmer has such a great life. Every morning he's got to water his flowers. This here really gets me in a mood for a nice ride to get out on the open road. There's always time for that coffee in the morning. You never want to go anywhere without that cup of coffee. Okay guys, is anybody hungry this morning? Look at you go in that little cage on the side. You're as hungry as I am. Is this the early morning lettuce harvest?
It is.
We're eating out of the farm today. And of course, today we'll have fresh cut flowers in every room of the house. Oh my God, we got so many flowers coming out. Because everywhere you go, there are zinnias, marigolds, just unbelievable patience everywhere. And as a free bonus, I see the sun is just starting to peek out. Here we are early and the sun is already out. Time for that last cup of coffee and we got to get out on the open road. So here's our flowers. These for the kitchen table tonight?
Yes.
All right, and a lettuce. So we're going to have an all lettuce diet. Keep me healthy. Holy mackerel. So before I have my last cup of coffee, look at this. She's got beautiful flowers on the table. We had this from this point in the year on. We have flowers every day. Final check of the weather. Looks like we got some cloud cover, but it's supposed to go into the 90s by noontime, so we'll be back early today. Time to cross plane. Best time of the day. Not a cloud in the sky. I'm so surprised. Looks like we're here early enough. The lilies are blooming. The lilies are starting to come out.
blue sky, not a cloud in the sky, not one cloud today. And it's getting hot already. The lovely Mrs. Ertnowski. How much iced coffee have you made to me? Make it right now, baby. It is hot. It's in the 90s now. Oh, man, did it get hot on this ride. Woo. Today we spent most of the ride on 699, which is known as Berkshire Valley Road. And it's really a nice, low traffic area. And one thing I personally hate, it's unbelievable. I hate to come back from a ride and have chores to do. That's why I always try to do all the chores, all the stuff in the morning. And when I come back from a ride, I want to crash, get on my lazy boy and have a gallon of iced coffee. Now one thing, it's just easy for me to understand, but I'm not sure everybody does. Everybody rides a different style, a different way. Some people don't mind traffic, some people like traffic. I don't know. I absolutely hate to have a car in front of me. Even if he's going at the speed, I want the open road in front of me. I always say at the beginning of a ride, get out in the open road, not get out in the middle of traffic. And that open road thing is in the eye of the beholder. But for me, when that area today, Berkshire Valley Road, that goes very near Picatinny Arsenal, near 15, Lake of Pakong. That area, for me, it's about a 40-minute ride to get out there. But once you're out there, it's beautiful. And I've been riding the R1 a lot lately. I've just gotten into it a little bit, and I have really enjoyed every minute that I'm on this bike. This bike has some amazing characteristics and personality with that CROSSPLANE motor. So I hope you enjoyed our little ride up in that area. Sparta is a nice area up there. Lake of Pakong, that whole area is nice. 699 if you're looking on a map and you want to try it out. Pretty easy to find. I want to thank all the healthcare workers every day, especially now. We were in the middle of having some kind of spike and they're shutting things down again, and I don't know. It's hard to keep track of it. And of course Karen has to say 100% sequestered because of her health issues. So we really everybody thanks these people that have stepped up to the plate. And again, I try to ride my ride. I try to pass on tips that I think will make these hot weather rides a little bit better. And by the way, that Joe Rocket stuff is great. The Clean Earth Groundhog Killer we got lettuce coming out of our ears now. And I don't know where the groundhog went. I don't know if he moved to Philadelphia or something. I guess maybe we never will find out. Who knows? But anyway, again, I enjoy making the videos. I hope you enjoy watching them, hanging out. Even if you drink your coffee in the morning or whatever. It's good entertainment. It takes your mind off the fact that you're sequestered or whatever. I'm not sure. But I enjoy watching YouTube so much, and I thank all the people that put that stuff on YouTube, or the Alan Milliards of the world. And even though he stole my birds, Alan, come on. You know, I should be getting some bird credit here. Anyway, again, thanks for watching.